Hi, my name's Anna, I'm a naturopath, and I've been working with patients a lot on energies, and I felt that this course was really going to complement that, because we are surrounded by lots of invisible energies from our mobile phones, all the power in the house. We're surrounded by power lines, mobile phones, computers, and so we're right into a lot of invisible energies that we're not even aware has a negative effect on us. So I just felt that this course was really going to help me understand a few of the stresses that people are under that I can't see in practice. Any change? The course here was wonderful. Patrick is a wonderful teacher. Our trips to Warburton were really educational, and the group of people that we shared the weekend with were great too. Lots of information, lots from all walks of life. So it was terrific. I recommend it.